Today is Monday in the afternoon. I cook a nice hasa. Look, nice fresh hasa, Guyana hasa. Nice tomato, pepper, onion, masala. You call it masala. Look at it. The curry. Call it the curry hasa. Look at that. Look at this hasa. See that? Yes. Wow, that was yummy. Look at that. Powerful hasa. Look at hasa. Look at hasa so big. Look at that. Wow, look at this. Wow. Big hasa. Look at this. Wow, look at this. Wow. Today I cooking the hasa. Today is Monday. Right now I cooking it. It's Guyana hasa. Look at that. Wow. That is so yummy and so good. Wow. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much. Please subscribe my video.